Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Steffies.us. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those websites that sells women's shoes. As you can see, they have this ones right here. So I don't know what made them so expensive. For example, this one, 14,500 pesos, is roughly equivalent to like $300, $400, around that range. So as you can see, this is what her story is. So this is Dr. Steffi. So this is their founder. So this is what the site looks like. So overall, this site does seem pretty legit, and I haven't found any negative reviews or saying that this website is a scam. So if you really want to buy from them, guys, by all means go. So if you're still sketchy on them or still skeptical, I would advise you to do some more research before actually buying from them. A small research goes a long way. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.